Coffin Turbo Pump has been in continuous operation here since 1929. We manufacture highly engineered boiler feed pumps for nuclear industry, power, offshore oil and gas, and the marine industry. When we were sourcing this machine, it was the largest investment that Coffin had made in the plant in over 20 years. We've had process time reductions in the neighborhood of 35 to 40%. So it's been a game changer for us. It's a multitasking machine. Got the turntable, a 1.2 meter rotary cable. It's a very, very versatile machine, and it handles our larger castings just in 2 setups. We do milling, drilling, turning, and actually on our turbine wheels, we actually do grinding as well. We have 4 different models of turbine wheels, from a 22-inch diameter down to about a 9-inch diameter. And we've moved production of all of those to the SORALUCE, and we're machining all of those in just 2 setups with a high level of precision.
Because we are doing all these processes in one operation, we attack the part from many different angles, to drill holes, to treadmill holes, and to machine flanges. And we make all the big parts in the same machine. So when it comes time for assembly, the part just goes together. The universal head locks in the position that you want to machine, and that gives a lot of strength when taking heavy cuts. And by having the travel in X and Y, it allows the head to go to different angles without any problem. The DAS has helped Coffin Turbo Pump reduce shuttering, increase tool life, and reduce the vibration of our parts. We do interrupted cutting, so the vibration reduction is key to machining our parts. Another part we do is the pump housing for our pumps. This pump housing was done in 4 different machines in 10 operations. We were able to machine it on the SORALUCE in 2 operations, and we have reduced the time tremendously.
We've recently launched a new product line called the DSR line of pumps. So this is a more commoditized piece of equipment. It's a ring section type pump. So there's a lot of competition, and we knew that our throughput here and our process times would have to be competitive with much larger companies, and we feel that the process times that we're achieving on those pieces are best in class. So we're able to compete, and we've successfully launched that new product line. My name is Jim Kinneary. I'm the president and CEO of Coffin Turbo Pump. We've been very pleased with the SORALUCE machine. The technology is good. The support has been very good. It was really the right piece of equipment for the very specialized work that we do.